Hello, my name is Matt Kristalik and I'm the Program Manager for Hensel Phelps. Welcome to South Terminal C, Orlando International's newest addition. Over the last 5 years, Hensel Phelps has been working on 730,000 square feet of new terminal along with 19 new gates. Why don't we take a look at some of the work we performed. Hey Heath, how's it going?
Good, man. You know, it's kind of crazy seeing all our hard work come to life. Man, Hensel Phelps really loves the challenge.
One of the interesting features about the new terminal is how the international arrivals come in on the upper floor. Many of the other terminals will have them go down to a lower floor to process through the secure corridor. Orlando International took a whole different concept and flipped it, so our international guests will be coming in on the upper level and their baggage will meet them in a sunny corridor back on the landside portion.
One of the most innovative concepts of this terminal is the RFID baggage handling system. As only the second airport in the U.S. that has it, the baggage system is created with individual motors and tubs that run only when they need to be motorized, which maintains a longer life cycle, creates cost savings, and eliminates the need for conditioned space. Some other innovations include baggage first processing at the U.S. Customs and Border Protection and Federal Inspection Stations, and 100% facial recognition for international passengers, and the world's first LEED v4 certification of an airport campus.
Hey Deidre, why don't you tell us a little bit about how we worked with the concessions and tenant fit-out teams?
Sure thing, Matt. One of the things that we really work on out here at Hensel Phelps is facilitating great relationships with the tenant and concessions groups. They bring in a whole new GC team and a new owner's representative team. One of the main challenges that they have is they are building a smaller building inside of a larger building. Hensel Phelps has been participating in drawing reviews, coordination meetings, and utility outage meetings as well in order to help facilitate the build out of these spaces. We are making sure that it's a smooth transition between base building and the tenant groups as they're building out to create a top tier terminal.
It's pretty challenging to have this finished building and then have all of these small construction jobs within it. How did you deal with all of these different tenant and concessionaires?
One at a time.
Well, we recognize that you can't open an airport without concessions, so this was another one of the examples of our partnership with the GOAA team.
Absolutely.
Dexter, why don't you talk a little bit about how virtual design and construction really helped enable our team to success on this job?
Because of the unique design, there obviously were challenges, and because we had those challenges, we had to 3D coordinate the entire project. Developing this 3D coordination, not only did we coordinate those issues with the owners, we coordinated it with the trade partners. We were able to go out and get drone shots after we got an approval from the FAA and also the airport. Internally with the HP team, we were able to use that for our thermal inspections and also our site mapping. Altogether, the 3D coordination made that effort a little bit easier so that the construction ran a little bit smoother.
Thank you, Dexter. I don't know how we could have gotten all of the MEP trades into the baggage handling corridor without your skills using VDC as an advantage in the sequence of construction. Ed, we couldn't have built this terminal without the help of so many small business partners. And you and PA Wallace did a wonderful job of helping make those connections and helping us achieve success with such a diverse team.
Hensel Phelps has done an unprecedented job of bringing the whole Central Florida community together to build this state-of-the-art facility that not only is the local community going to enjoy this facility, but the international community is going to come in and enjoy this. So thank you for bringing together such a diverse team to create really a super beautiful facility.
Ed, we appreciate your support on this one and look forward to the next project we get to develop together on. A lot happened during this project. I mean, we went through COVID, the program changed a lot. They were getting record traffic and then expanded, and then COVID kind of slowed some things down. But all through it, you guys worked with us and the design team as a partnership to get through a whole bunch of challenges.
We did. It was a very good team effort, and it shows a lot about HP's leadership and the ability to work with other people, the owner's team, et cetera. And that's says a lot about HP's team, in my opinion.
It took a dedicated team of committed construction people to come together united in building this job. Between the TK civil team working on the outside of the building, the TK landside team working on the other side, just all the intricacies of the coordination of the logistics is just phenomenal.
To bring all of the construction, technology, the coordination together is pretty impressive.
One of the unique things about the technology we've used on this project is not everyone gets to fly a drone in this environment. On a large international airport this close to a runway, we worked with the FAA, we worked with GOAA and the airfield ops team for 3 years on this project, and we were able to do some very cool things with the drone technology where we were doing site mapping and we were doing thermal roof inspections.
As you can see behind me, there's some cool technology happening within this terminal. The Palm Court features 30-foot tall video spectacular called the Moment Vault. 3 large triangular-shaped floor-to-ceiling panels with 3 giant video walls. Viewed from outside or inside, the Moment Vault will show Florida's beaches, botanical gardens, and perhaps even a NASA launch. As passengers watch the videos, cameras will capture their silhouettes and embed them in the iconic Central Florida scenes, creating memorable moments that are worthy of family selfies. In the North Concourse, passengers walk along Windows of Orlando. This is a 60-foot long by 28-foot tall wall of video screens. The 3 giant screens can work together or independently to make passengers feel as if they are swimming alongside manatees, and features aquatic scenes of underwater reefs or walking along a beach. All right, guys, well, that's it. Thanks for joining us on the tour.
We can't wait to see you soon at Orlando's newest addition, South Terminal C.